In this video, we'll show you how to sign up, get your unique affiliate link, and earn effortlessly. Let's dive in. The best part? You can earn up to 20% per successful referral. Go to the FlyWP dashboard. Then, from the FlyWP dashboard, go to the top right corner of your screen, then click on the Referral tab, and you will be redirected to the affiliate dashboard. Now click Join to Referral Program. You're all set with the first step. Here, you'll find your unique affiliate link ready for promotion. Simply copy it and share it directly on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter to start earning. You can also track your total successful referrals right from this dashboard. Now it's time to log into your FlyWP affiliate dashboard, your central hub for monitoring referrals and tracking commissions. To get full access, click the login button and reset your password using your email address. Once inside, you'll be able to view your successful referrals, track your commissions access, promotional links. Don't forget to copy your unique referral link from the Referral Information tab and share it with friends, colleagues, or anyone looking for the best server management solution for WordPress. Your payments are processed on payout schedule, and you can withdraw your earnings easily. Start sharing and start earning today.